Amawele, they symbolize something. Awamanje amawele abekhona. Yes, kukhona ukuthi amawele abekhona ngokumiselwa ngokuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ube ngabathola abantwana noma ufuna ukuthola abantwana abangamawele. Bese kuhlanganiswa ke impande ezithile noma kuhlanganiswe lokho kuhlanganiswayo to that lowo muntu ekwazi ukuthi abe nawo amawele. But amawele naturally asho amandla athile in the lineage asuka asymbolize isikhathi esithile ubukhosi obuthile in that lineage. Into abantu akufuneke bayi understand akusho ukuthi uma uzalwe wembethe kusho ukuthi automatically you'll be rich or uzoba nemali or uzoba nenhlanhla. Yes, unayo inhlanhla, but that does not necessarily equate to wealth or riches. It could be ukuthi uzalwe wembethe so that you are a prominent leader. Politically unobuholi onabo wena. So uma ngabe uya kumelaphi wendabuko noma umuntu kuthiwa wena uzalwe wembethe kufanele uyibuze ukuthi ngimbethe ini yabo uzalwe wembethe or umbethe imimoya ethile lena yasemanzini mhlawumbe unemimoya yemndawo yemzunza naloko kuyenzeka lo muntu lo uzalwe wembethe kodwa uzoba inyanga enkulu inyanga yawaziwayo inyanga that will stand head and shoulders above the rest.
So ngifuna ukwazi la ukuthi ke uma ukuthi lamasiko lawa okumele enziwe awenziwanga sikhule sesiyajola phela.
Yes.
Ayimoshi relationship yami ama relationship wethu sesithole sesijola nomuntu oyi1 or sesithole and kunohlela ngangilibhekile njalo lapha eTV ngeke ngilisho igama lawo mara benama twins phakathi. Ilama twins bejola nomuntu oyi1.
Yes.
So I just wanted to know ukuthi kungabe is because of ukuthi mhlambe lama rituals bekumele enziwa wenziwanga ngendlela or awenziwanga that's why say beyithola bejola umuntu one or but just answer the question.
Yes,
that's
yes.
just my.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata.
Hello, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani. I am your host, and I have my friend. I don't know whether should I say Prophet Mavuso, Gobela, or Brahmavuso. Mellington kahle Mavuso.
Brahmavuso, we send back to the time where I was born again. They call it brother.
Like,
but they used to call me a prophet, yeah.
Like uzongibhayizisa namhlanje ngisesetini angazi kama manje wami ngoba phela ayi namhlanje ufike wathi yabona namhlanje ngifuna ukumbonisa uchef ukuthi ayi phela nami they used to call me handsome. You are not the only handsome chef Patanani.
Bavuso azama ukususa amabhayi isusa impepho isusa zonke lezi zinto ezinye and go back to normal. Phela remember uma ube nengulo yedlozi once you've done through that you must go back to your normal life uphile ube umuntu nawe yabo. That's when is noma ungacedwa ke izinto la ziba ziningi but
Mavuso. But anyway, Mavuso, namhlanje I want us to talk about something very important, and I do believe ukuthi amamanchizi bazokujabulela le topic esizokhuluma ngayo. Siyakhuluma la. Yes, ngizokubuza imibuzo there, but ngifuna ukuthi wena nje ufundise. I know you are a good teacher. So I just want you to stop saying you're trying. You're not trying. You are a good teacher. You are trying to be humble. You are a good teacher. Ngifuna sikhulume ngama twins amawele. Kungabe amawele ashukuthini noma kuziwa entweni zesintu or amadlozi?
Wow. Very key because amawele they symbolize something. Awamanje amawele abekhona. Yes, kukhona ukuthi amawele abekhona ngokumiselwa ngokuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ube ngabathola abantwana noma ufuna ukuthola abantwana abangamawele. Bese kuhlanganiswa ke impande ezithile noma kuhlanganiswe lokho kuhlanganiswayo to that lowo muntu ekwazi ukuthi abe nawo amawele. But amawele naturally asho amandla athile in the lineage asuka asymbolize isikhathi esithile, ubukhosi obuthile in that lineage. Umama wami bekayiwele, by the way. So I'm coming from nginayo understanding yalezo zinto. So kodwa amawele kuba ne problem because umuntu unemisebenzi ngokwesintu ekumele adlule kuyo from ekuzalweni kwakhe, ekukhuleni kwakhe, ekuthombeni kwakhe, ekushadeni kwakhe, you know, umuntu unezigaba, and with all these stages it calls for certain rituals noma izinto ekumele zenziwe ukuze lowo muntu loyo akwazi ukuthi stay connected nesidalwa sakhe nomnhlanhla bakhe, stay protected, akwazi ukurecognize lokhu afika akwembethe, because umntwana uma ezalwa ufika efumbethe. So uma efumbethe kanjalo ukwazi ukuthi ku-unfoldeke lokhu esithi uza nako emhlabeni. So we have a problem, a huge problem la uma sikhuluma ngamawele, because naturally asasibona abantu aba-observer amasiko nokugcina izinto eziyimiso zokukhuliswa nokuphothulwa komuntu uma ekhula to different stages esizoyibala. And yet this is very key, very important uma siza ebantwaneni abangamawele, because labo bantwana labo basuke basho inhlanhla, basho ubukhosi, basho into ethile in this la ekhaya, in this lineage. And half of the time labo bantwana basuke bembethwe very close imimoya, nangaphandle kwemimoya yokwelapha, but they are very gifted children, very special children, because basuke bembethwe imimoya ethile nabantu abathile la ekhaya abavumile, because umntwana ukuze efike emhlabeni kunesidalwa noma kunomngilosi eqokwayo ukuthi imlethe noma ivume ukuthi abe khona emhlabeni, yabona. So most of the time we find a problem makuza kumawele ukuthi one usually suffers and the other one uba right empilweni, because the other one starts drawing energy and from the other one. So you find an imbalance. So this imbalance needs to be addressed. But before even we get to the imbalance, uma abantu amawele efikile ekhaya kuba nesilwane kuyahlatshwa to ukubika noma ukukhuleka ukurecognize lento eyisiphiwo noma lento eyisibusiso within this lineage. Yabo, akuveli kuthuleke nje. So ngoba bangamawele, it means umntwana lona kodwa abanesidalwa esisodwa noma banomoya owodwa ovumile ukuthi babe khona emhlabeni. So lo moya loyo ke udinga ukuthi ke bese uhlukaniseka, but ungahlukaniseki ekutheni siyawudivide, but uhlukaniseleke wona ekutheni utshela ukuthi cha kunoSamu la, mhlawumbe uSamu uyintombazana, kunoSam la, uSam ungumfana, yabona. So ekukhuleni kwabo nepurpose yabo nezinto abazifumbethe abaze nazo emhlabeni azifani, kukhona la zizofike zihluke khona, yabo. So manje lokho kuhlukaniseka sihlukanisa lapho ekutheni kungagcini kutholakala ukuthi if omunye has a higher resonates or vibrates at a certain frequency, which could be spiritually, which is more higher than the other one, egcine esethatha bonke umnhlanhla baloya omunye, the second one, because nakhona kulamawele ukuphuma kwawo ukuthi ubani ophuma eqala esibelethweni, ubani mhlawumbe owayephume embethe into ethile, awafani uma siwabheka. They can look the same physically, but there are spiritual connotations and spiritual things ekufuneke zibhekeke, ekufana nokuthi baphume omunye ubani ophume eqala, ubani ostrong, ubani ophume embethe noma embethe ephethe into ethile. So their, what do you call, their spiritual energy and grace, it is often imbalance is not the same. So le misebenzi noma lokuphothula lokho kufuneke bemiselwe kona kuyiko lokho okufike kucorrect leso simo kulabo abantwana bobabili, because if that is not corrected kuzogcina one of them will end up pulling more weight than the other. Uthola ukuthi ke omunye lo izinto zakhe yena ziyakhanya ziyaphambili kakhulu, lo omunye uyastrugglisha ushona phansi. So kufuneka manje kutholakala imbuzi isikhathi esiningi eyodwa ibulawe, kodwa mayibulawa lembuzi bese ke kukhulunywa kubika ukuthi laba bantwana siyaba njoba bewumoya munye, sithi umhlanhla babo abuhlale bube munye, omunye kungabi ne-imbalance kubo la kulobudlozi. Also depending ukuthi asisho ukuthi bazoba into eyodwa even nasekuphilweni nasey'philweni zabo. They can still be different, but we are talking about lesi sidalwa lesi sibambethe ukuthi sikwazi ukuba recognize futhi sibahlukanise, singababoni njengomuntu oyedwa ukuthi omunye ngoba kuzokwenzeka ukuthi omunye uyakhula uyintombazane usefike ebangeni lokuthomba noma usefike ebangeni elithile, bese kutholakala ukuthi loya abamrecognize, usambuka njengomfana lesidalo, usambuka exactly as the other one.
It can also problem can come ukuthi uthola ukuthi mawukuthi singamantombazane sobabili singamawele, omunye uthola ukuthi uyakhona ukuzala abantwana, omunye khona ukuthi akakhona ukuzala. I think it's something like that as well. Mangaluswanga kahle lezi zinto lezi.
Yes, because remember isidalo sibamele labantwana sisodwa. That's why actually one person. Yabo nabo kodwa ngoba banemizimba eyahlukahlukene, sifuna ukuthi lezi sidalo sihlukaniseleke ekutheni laba bantwana abafane ene kungaqini ukuthi by default kube nomunye shine more, osothathe bonke lobu bunhlanhla baza ngakuye, yabo, because lezi zinto mazingenzeka uthola ukuthi one of the twin into zakhe ziyabheda from every stage, and kubalulekile ukuthi behanjiswe lezi igaba ukuthi mase bethomba mhlawumbe benze lowo mhlonyane noma benze leyo nto leyo mangabe bangabantombazana mangabe babafana, so that at every stage there's that recognition ukuthi manje bakhula bangena kulesi sigaba and this is the expectation edingekalayo ukuthi bele kubo. It same applies nento yokuthi ithi umuntu uzalwa embethe. Ukuzalwa embethe yesikuhlukene, but most of the time uthola ukuthi kunomunye umuntu owayekumele phile, owayekumele ayibe khona physically, kodwa wathola ukuthi akasabi khona, and then ke kodwa lo moya wakhe uba khona ngaleyo ndlela leyo. But it's not always the case, because nokuzalwa kwembethe kuyahluka. This is why nako lokho kudinga ukulungiswa, because in the realms of the spirit lo munye ongazange aphile emhlabeni usuke ekhona. So while lo ophilayo in the physical ekhula, spiritually kukhona lo ongazange abe nomzimba in the physical othola ukuthi naye uyakhula. So uma ngabe lo enza izinto, lo engena isikole, lo efunda and develop in all the stages of life, nalo ubese lo moya wakhe uyahalela ukuthi kodwa mina
why nganaki.
Yes, why mina nganakekanga. So if you get to a point to a certain extent lo uma eseshada even in life empilweni uthola ukuthi naye lo uyadinga ukuthi naye ashade ukuze into zakhe imise. Sometimes you get into polygamy ngaleyo nto leyo, uthola ukuthi kunomunye umuntu ohamba naye wena ophila naye osofisa ukuthi umthathele abe nonkosikazi, bese uthola umuntu ke noma ngabe ewesilisa bese engena eba nesithembu, uma ngabe owesifazana uthola ukuthi engena bese engena into polygamy like that. But it's not the only reason you have polygamy, but it can happen ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Nanokuthi ngikhulume mina ukuthi laba bantwana they symbolize a spiritual gift, a certain a change in the lineage. Kunento ethile la ekhaya abayisipho akumele bayenze. So what does that mean now? Uma kwenzeka ke manje uthola ukuthi lo kuzalwa lokhu mhlambe in a more clearer way ukuzalwa wembethe ngoba nalo usuke khona. Usuke ke manje esekumbatha ngalawa amandla lawa. Uthola ukuthi loya uza nomoya othile odinga ukuthi manje ukwazi nawo ukuthi uphile ulungiseke ukuze nalo akwazi ukuthi elunge yabo. But I think that will take us a bit out of topic because
So but let me ask you something. Umuntu makuthiwa uzale wembethwe.
yes.
Kusho ukuthi kunomuntu okwakumele aphile.
Yes.
Then mawuzalwe wembethe nalapho futhi kunomuntu okumele aphile.
No. Kuyahluka lokuzalwa kwembethe. One, yenza ukuthi kwakunomuntu okumele aphile. Yabo. Two, kuyenza ukuthi uzalwe wembethe kodwa umbethe a gift.
Okay.
What could that be the gift? You need to be a president. You need to be a political leader.
Okay.
You need to you are a business person. Yabo. What could be that gift? Ufuna ube inyanga. Ufuna ube umngoma. Yabo. But nako lokuzalwa wembethe kuphinde futhi kudivide ke ekutheni in the physical form now. Sometimes omunye ufuma in a sack, omunye kube ne umbilical cord that wraps around. All that is symbolic. Kusho ukuthi uma sesimphothula lo muntu sesilungisa lento, we'll have to have that knowledge ukuthi lo wayegegelezele with the umbilical cord or lona wayenamafutha nje smearing of some sort kuye or lona was actually in that sack, in that I forgot the name of that sack. Yes. So konke lokho will play a major role uma ngabe sekwenziwani esembulwa. But into abantu akufuneke bayi understand akusho ukuthi uma uzalwe wembethe kusho ukuthi automatically you'll be rich or uzoba nemali or uzoba nenhlanhla. Yes, unayo inhlanhla, but that does not necessarily equate to wealth or riches. It could be ukuthi uzalwe wembethe so that you are a prominent leader. Politically unobuholi onabo wena. So uma ngabe uya kumelaphi wendabuko noma umuntu kuthiwa wena uzalwe wembethe kufanele uyibuze ukuthi ngimbethe ini yabo. Uzalwe wembethe or umbethe imoya ethile lena yasemanzini mhlawumbe unemoya yemndawo yemzunza naloko kuyenzeka. Lo muntu lo uzalwe wembethe kodwa uzoba inyanga enkulu, inyanga yawaziwayo, inyanga that will stand head and shoulders above the rest.
Okay, so now la kumawele, how do you determine or how do you know ukuthi lama twins lawa are from the maternal or paternal side? Can you be able to tell?
It's you can't really from differentiate because la ukuze umuntu abe khona emhlabeni it's obviously a meeting between the two surnames. It's just ukuthi ke what matters the most is that yisiphi isidalwa that has been chosen. Is it from your mother's side or is it from your father's side that has been chosen to be the security or the guardian angel over your life? Yabo. Ukuthi nina sinigade sihambe nani. But lesi sidalwa can come from either side.
Okay.
Yabo. It can come from your father, it can come from your mother. Yabo. But it does not mean ukuthi naso leso sidalwa yiso sodwa that is in charge. Uyathola ukuthi kulesi sidalwa lesi there could be other people who are interested to give you something or a gift. And these people can come from any other. Uthola ukuthi lo ufuna ukukunika into eyisiphiwo esithile nalo ufuna ukukunika into eyisiphiwo esithile. But what matters now is that because there's a guardian angel kunesidalwa esithile esikumbethe esikuhambayo esihamba nawe esaqokwa kuwe bonke laba abanye regardless of how powerful or the gift is, funeke bekhothame la kulesi sidalo lesi sihamba na. So in the case of twins, lesi sidalo siba sinye. Kodwa simela ini? Simela abantu ababili.
Ababili, yes.
That is why ke lesi sidalo kufuneke laba mabafika emhlabeni bese siyabikelwa bese kukhona ukuhlukaniseka ukuthi cha laba bantwana babili phela bahlukene kodwa sifuna ukuthi futhi into zabo zibalance kahle kungagcineki sekuphakama umuntu oyedwa yabo kube nenomunye bese shona phansi yabo.
So but uma ukuthi mangalungisanga mabengalungiselelwanga labantwana, I think that's where sizo face that situation. And you know why I'm asking? I had a manchi who once asked me that question. I'm a twin, but akambi kahle. But lo munye yena right kakhulu, like rich.
And then they can end up ubesola mabaya kubantu bamanga noma bahlolayo kuthiwa hayi lo yaphela wathwebula inhlanhla yakho noma wenzani, as if it's the fault of the other one. Yabo. Thola ukuthi nalo is an innocent soul naye akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. It's just that it happened because there were, that's why kuthiwa idlozi is tutor, because everything edlozini, it needs to be defined, it needs to be put into vocalized, ibe nema intentions ukuthi iyenziwe lemsebenzi. And mawuthi uyabheka umunye uzothi imsebenzi yani because bayazi vele labantu ukuthi babili idlozi aliboni yini ukuthi labantu they are different. Why would it be
okay, tell me, how do we stop the spiritual conflicts between our twins?
No, part of that is because of these rituals esikhuluma ngayo ama-angels wabo. Because why would there be a conflict? There will be a conflict because lo muntu lo is sort of more like confused because isidalwa esisodwa lesi esibangamele esibabhekile yabo. So you find ukuthi ke now the other one is pulling more energy than the other one from the same source, from kulesidalwa lesi esisodwa. But uthola ukuthi manje sebaklashana abasezwani ngendlela ekufanele ngabe bezwana ngayo yabo.
So ngiyengizwe la kuthiwa uma kushonile iwele kumele elinye lingene emgodini.
Yes.
Can you just educate me with that process?
Yes. It's because remember these people, they always feel each other. Ima ngabe umunye ethukuthele noma ngabe umunye upset noma umunye ejabulile, the other one will feel. If the other one is going through a spiritual battle or noma kwenzenjani, because they have one guardian angel ebagadile yabo. So manje kwenzelwa ke, that is why yonke into abayenzayo bayenza bobabili, funeka baphothule bobabili, isidalwa sabo lesi sinikezwe sitshele sobabili sihlukaniseleke lesi sidalwa. Uma ngabe lo munye uyashada funeke nalesi nalo kubikwe kuhlukaniseleke kulesi sidalwa ukuthi lona useyashada phela useyale. Izokwazi ukuthi lesidalwa sikwazi ukuthi sibe naye loya moya. So in this case yokuthi lona useshonile kufuna iphunga, iphunga is the right word, ukuthi lo uma ela emgodini noma esesethuneni ekwazi ukumuzwa umnakwabo, not umnakwabo sengijwayele isithembu, akwazi ukumnuzwa
umne wabo.
Yes, umne kwabo ukuthi ukhona, because uma engamuzwa la esuke ekhona engazange afike yena angene kucala ezokwazi ukuthi isithunzi sakhe sisale la, this one will feel a need to go ukuthi ayomlanda. So manje masayomlanda kusho ukuthi soyambulala phela.
But tell me, ungena emgodini or eboxini?
Emgodini.
Or abamfake eboxini?
Before the other one Lisa yenzeka leyo nto to my mom, ubaba umalume washona kuqala wakuyindoda. So makashona kwakumele ke umama angene before on the day of the funeral uza lapha on the graveside ufike engeneke khona.
Okay, manje ngicela ukwazi lana ke. So angithi amawele uma kuthi elinye lishoniwe kumele ligezwe nalelinye. So uma kuthi mina ngishadile naye usisi wami or ubhuti wami ushadile. Oyi-one wethu eshona esekuloya muzi loyana. Is there a need ukuthi nami ngibizwe ngizogezwa laphaya?
Angithi you've already ihlukanisekile leyo nto leyo. Remember lento yomshado ithi uma ushada, let's say nabombatha, omunye ushadela kaMavuso, omunye ushadela kaNxumayo, nisuke nikhishwa la kombatha, yabo. So there is never a thing ethi uma ngabe kushonwa le kaMavuso ikhona into ezokubuyisa back la kombatha, yabo. Yonke lento igcinwa le because usufile so wendile. That's why masikhuluma ngegama lokushada kuthiwa wenda. Ukwenda is to translate into another level.
Yeah, okay. So uma sesishadile sesikhishiwe la kwambatha. Ushadele kwaShandu washadela le kwaMthiya. So asisebelong la. So whatever eyenza le makuthiwa uyashona asikisidingo sokuthi ngizogezwa lapha.
Wena awuxhume uxhasi kulaba bantu. Wena abantu wakhishwa isidalo sakho sinawe la. That is why le anti ibalulekile because now ama marriage ayaphela uma kungabikakanga kahle. Ngoba kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi eli-one twins qale lona libe nenhlanhla yomshado kanti leli linye alikabi nayo leyo nhlanhla. Kodwa because niyabahlukanisa laba bantu but akubikekanga futhi kahle ukuthi laba bantu bahlukana kanjani. Uzophela lo yamshado libuye leliya elingashadile, yabona.
So tell me Mavuso lana ke lolu siko lolu lenziwa ngembuzi eyi-one lenziwa ngenkomo.
Imbuzi eyodwa because abantu isidalwa esisodwa lesi esikhothama kuso nalesi esibamele
awenziwa ngenkomo kudingeka imbuzi. And then lana Mavuso makuthi ke uyazazi impilo esiyiphilayo Mavuso. Sometimes amawele lawa ayahlukaniswa mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi intombazane ayimazi nobaba lo walabantwana then uthole abantwana then mhlambe umndeni wakaMavuso uyalithathela i-one iwele umndeni wakaMbatha uyalithathela i-one iwele then ayakhula amawele mhlawumbe agcina ehlangana then maybe abazali abasekho.
Yes.
Kwenziwa njani ke mase kumele kwenziwe lolu siko? Can they do lo siko bona ngokwabo or kumele kutholakala umuntu omzali or a family member or what? I just want to understand that ukuthi uma ukuthi okay ke abazali or mhlawumbe abazali bayashiya sisebancane singamawele then sesikhuliswa bo anti umalume kulolu siko kwenziwa njani?
Yes. Very important question. But leyo question it all depends ukuthi isiphi lesisidalwa esibamele. So kumele kuhloleke kiwe kubantu bamanga ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi la lesi sidalwa sakibo baba mhlambe babiza siphi isibongo. Ubaba wabenzela yini imfanelo wahamba wayohlawula lena bathengeka yini kulesi sibongo noma basabiza isibongo so malume, yabo. So bona funeke ke benzelwe la kulesi sibongo esiphasayo kube egazini ukuthi isibongo sakubo mama yini noma isibongo sakubo, yabo. Kodwa there's always corrections phela ukuthi izinye izinto azenzekanga nisasebancane it does not mean ukuthi angeke zicorrecteke uma sezitholakala senibadala ukuthi ke zibuye. It all depends ukuthi on the name yokuthi nisuke nenza ini and ikuphi inkinga ukukhona yini la kulamawele ngoba kodwa most of the time mabe sebebadala vele it will show ukuthi one is suffering here the other one umele uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi bobabili nje, especially in that case oyibalayo, because uyathola ukuthi mhlawumbe azange even bathole the rightful sidalwa sabo ukuthi kube yiso sibakhulisayo, mhlawumbe bahamba baze banikezwa nesibongo esingaphasi kubo. So bobabili uthola ukuthi nje
ke babhedene.
it's
So kwenziwa njani ke into enjalo? Okay, fine. Mase bebeyadala amavuso bangakhona ukuthi beyilungisele bona izinto. That's what I want to understand as well. And why ngibuza lokho mavuso, because not only amawele, even nathi singasengamawele, uyathola ukuthi abazali bethu azange bahlawule, abazali bethu azange benze imbeleko, izinto zesintu nje ziningi. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi mawukuthi mhlawumbe abazali bami abasekho emhlabeni mara azange kube nezinhlawulo nezimbeleko, can I be able to do that ngokwami?
You can with connotation marks, because awukwazi ukuzihlawula wena. Awukwazi wena uma ngabe umama wakho owakanxumalo wena wakambatha, ubaba wakambatha, uthola ukuthi manje wena ubiza lesi sibongo because umntwana ongahlawulwanga, umntwana futhi akahlawuli. Into ehlawulwa yini? Umuzi wendoda, yes, muzi, that's why kuthiwa nekhishwe nenkomo kamama lapho, inkomo yenquthu. So what happens here is that wena yonke into yakho isuke ibiza elikinini lakubo mama wakho. So uma unemali wena, it does not mean ukuthi le mali onayo iqhamuka esibongweni sakibo baba wakho, isuke iqhamuka esibongweni sakibo mama, kuleli dlozi elikumele. Manje ukwazi ukuthatha imali yako mama wakho uyoyinikeza ubaba wakho bese wena uthi you are playing a slide of hand. It's like ngiboleka imali mina kuwe, ngiyakweleta, ngikweleta 100 rand. Bese mina ngithi kuwe ngihambe ngiye kumntana wakho ngithi hey hamba kubaba wakho wena uboleka imali. Mboleka 100 rand. Umntana wakho ngoba umntana wakho uzomuphi 100 rand. Bese futhi mina ngibuyela kulomntana wakho ngithi hey letha ke le 100 rand anginikeze. Bese ngibuyela kuwe mina ngumavuso ngithi hey phathanani, here's your 100 rand that I owe you. So I'm basically paying you with your own money. So that's what happens uma umntwana ezihlawula, because inhlanhla yakhe nale mali njoba nje anemali is because of idlozi lakuphi lakibo mama wakhe.
So kwenziwa njani ke mavuso?
So in that case, number one, the first option you have, uma ngabe besakhona obaba omncane noma ubaba wakhe sakhona, uthola ukuthi ubaba wakhe akanawo amandla, akasebenzi. Yes, ungayithatha le mali kodwa ubaba wakho there's an exchange, ishisela impepha ayithenge. Kusho ukuthi mawukhipha i10,000 ubaba wakho angakhipha noma 100 rand. Athi ngalo 100 rand ngithenga leza inkomo azisabelongi kuphi komama wakho, akasabelongi lesibongo sakhe, lezi inkomo sezibelonga kombatha manje.
Okay.
Bese ke khathi ke eyikhipha after that exchange, eseyikhipha ngelizwe elithini la kombatha seziya le. Kodwa uma lokho kungenzekanga, then that is a problem. Uthole ke manje ukuthi akekho ke umuntu ongamela leso simo, mhlambe abazali abasekho nabo omncane abasekho. You leave that thing, uhambe uyowakha umuzi, uvusa umuzi wakibo mama wakho, uhlukane nalesa sibongo sakibo baba, ngoba angeke sikwenzele lutho.
Okay, now la amawele normally they said umuntu lo ophuma eqala uye nomncane ne, then lo ophuma emuva uye nomdala.
Yes.
Mawukuthi uhliziwe ke ubona kanjani? Wazi ngani? Angithi abanye abantu bazala ngokuhlinzwa namavuso ungihleka la.
No, it's fine. That really doesn't matter that much, as long as kuzokwenziwa lento le a ritual after that. Akubalekile ukuthi ubani ophuma eqala noma ubani omdala, because if kwenzeka the imbalance can happen in any case. Even in the Bible, the other one who wabamba, was it Jacob and something? He grabbed the heel of the other one, magato yapuma, wafuna ukuphuma qala. And that was symbolic of certain things. Kodwa into esizama ukusho ukuthi at the end of the day ayibe khona that ritual ehlukanisa lesi sidalwa sabo hayi ukuthi iyayihlukanisa ukuthi singabe eba-differentiateayo kulesidalwa sabo so that uma sibabele equally singakhona ukubabela bese uthola ukuthi sibabela omunye kakhulu omunye soya shoshona phansi.
Tell me, there was a manchi here. You remember ukuthi ngithe kunenye manchi yami angeke ngize ngisho igama. Le manchi lena yangibuza umbuzo ukuthi chef, please, whenever you do this topic, can you just ask on my behalf? Le manchi ithi amasiko onke enziwa mara iwele lakhe selashona.
Okay.
Mara iwele lakhe liyafika lala naye.
Iwele lakhe liyafika lala naye. The wele is opposite sex. Okay. No, something is wrong there. Something is wrong there. Uthi wonke amasiko ukuthi ke ezinye zezinto phela ngoba kunobuthakathi wena chef. Yabo ezinye zezinto siphinde zibe beyond into yesinto. Kufuneka lowo muntu loyo aye kwabantu bamanga afika abuza ukuthi kwenzekeni. Beyi-check ukuthi yes njoba ethi yena wagcine kuyenzeka sometimes the trap that people fall into ukwenza izinto bese bebambelele ekutheni lezi zinto ngizenzile kodwa ngingasabuka ukuthi uyenze kahle yini, was it done right and was it accepted. Kufana nokushela intombi awukwazi wena ukuthi hayi le ntombi ngiyishelile iqomile yini. Yabo so nala ekuphahleni nala ekwenzeni izinto zesintu kukhona ukuthi abantu bese bebe boastful noma beza kithi thina belaphi bendabuko umuntu akutshela ukuthi I know I've done this thing 5 times already but angiboni lutho. But the question is uyenzile, was it accepted, was it done correct? There were no interference of some sort that could be demonic or that could have waba no anto no mona lapha watshontsha lengubo waphambanisa. You see, though all these are dynamics, that's why sibelaphi bendabuko because isihambelana nani nesintu ukuthi as much as isintu sithi but akekho yini
wenza ubukwerikweri bakhe la. Isifana kalo as or will say, but this is the last one. Not last. I still have a lot. It's just at the time. Ukhuluma ukuthi amawele isidalwa esisodwa.
Yes.
Ne. So ngifuna ukwazi la ukuthi ke uma ukuthi lamasiko lawa okumele enziwe awenziwanga. Sikhule sesiyajola phela.
Yes.
Ayimoshi relationship yami, ama relationship wethu sesithole sesijola nomuntu oyi1 or sesithole and kunohlela ngangilibhekile njalo lapha eTV ngeke ngilisho igama lawo mara benama twins phakathi. Ilama twins bejola nomuntu oyi1.
Yes.
So I just wanted to know ukuthi kungabe is because of ukuthi mhlambe lama rituals bekumele enziwa wenziwanga ngendlela or awenziwanga that's why say beyithola bejola umuntu oyi1 or but just answer the question. That's just my story.
Remember these people will always be attached because isidalwa sisodwa. But we are saying let these people enjoy their own different lives. Let these people babelwe according to what they're supposed to do here on earth. Omunye khona ukuya Cape Town abe happy. Omunye khona ukuthi aye eLimpopo abe happy khona, yabo. So that is now it becomes important not ukuthi uma behlukaniseka leka la kulesidalo sabo siyabahlukanisa ukuthi no, they will still feel each other, they will still be attached to each other in a way ukuthi omunye masenkingeni lo omunye ezwe lo omunye enzeni, yabo. That is part because this is spiritual more than anything else. But we don't want a situation where they can't live without each other. We don't want a situation where omunye uma ebele ukuthi yena afunde aye esikolweni abe an academic and then omunye uthola ukuthi because lo omunye yena uyavilapha ulazy then use affecta naloya because of that. Omunye mangabe eyisangoma then use affecta naloya ukuthi naloya naye
abe isangoma,
yabo. Laba bantu let them be separated, babe nesabelo sabo esi-correct, esi-right, but futhi let them not pull each other down, thola ukuthi omunye uba as successful than the other.
And the other. Oh,
Yabo.
wow. Okay. Now, I want to know uma uzalwa namawele mara wena ungasiliwele, ne?
Okay.
Is it happen kuyenzakala ukuthi ube ne spiritual twin?
The only way you'll have a spiritual twin is if uma ngabe lingazange liphile.
Okay.
Like what
Please
you
educate
said
us.
before,
Yeah.
ukuthi ukhona lo muntu was supposed ukuthi abe khona abe naye a physical body, kodwa uthola ukuthi yena azange asayithola a physical body. Kwase kuphuma wena wedwa esibelethweni sikamama wakho, kodwa ube umbethe loya moya wakhe loya. Yabo, it's part nako lokho kuzalwa kwembethe ngoba umbethe yilo moya walo mfowenu noma wadadewenu ohamba naye. You know, it could be for any, kodwa ukumbathwa kanjalo it can be attributed to many reasons. Sometimes kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi kwaba ne miscarriage noma a certain abortion whatever, but uthola ukuthi lo moya walo mntwana loyo azange utetiswe ngoba uma ngabe you've had a miscarriage noma waba ne ifuneka ikhona into esibiza ikhona ritual yakhona yokutetisa ukuthi lowo moya loyo uthola indawo uphume kuwe ukhona ukuthi uamkeleke kwelamathongo. So manje uthola ukuthi ke ukufika ehlala umntwana la ozophila bese ehlala embathwa yilo yamoya ongazange uaphizwe. Yes, so manje usezalwa lo usehamba naleli thunzi lo mntwana owayehleli ngaphambilini. So uma esehlalwa leli thunzi leli usebonakala engathi usene twin, kodwa une twin elinjani ngoba azange liphile ngaphambilini. So naye lo udinga ukuthi alaphize lisuke kuye lingambathi ngoba the reason why lisahleli la is because it has not been appeased, that spirit. Yabo. So lizombatha ngensila noma limbathe kabi ethola ukuthi into zakhe ke bese ziyonakala. Yabo.
Wow. Mavuso, i-content ayiqedwa la. Musafuna ukubuya. Your word of wisdom to
Yeah.
my munches.
Yes, it's a very sensitive subject besikhuluma ngayo ama-twins. We can't really exhaust it. Kodwa ke like I said, yonke into yakho ukuthi mhlawumbe I'm a prophet ngitholela ekuhloleni kakhulu. Whatever, you remember this thing touches your life. So you don't go uyohlaba uyokwenza imisebenzi ngoba uzwe noma you are suspecting ukuthi wazalwa wembethe noma une twin noma unomoya ohamba nawo. Make sure ukuthi leyo nto leyo is the correct thing, uyilandelile ngendlela efanele ukuze ukwazi uyenza, because if you touch it and you touch it wrong igcineke seyonakala. Ngaloko sithi siyathobeka kakhulu Prophet Mavuso, siyatholakala eVanderbijl, siyatholakala Cape Town, Mpumalanga, 076-8466-131 ku WhatsApp. Thank you so much, Chef.
My munches and
you
thoughts, I
understand.
hope you enjoyed the episode with our own Prophet Mavuso. Please don't forget, I am an author of this beautiful book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. If you want the copy of my book, please do send me a WhatsApp, email, DM me. The copy is only trend, and we deliver across South Africa via Pexi. Mavuso, it's an honor to have you, kwa Munches and Thoughts, every time, and on our TikTok lives as well. Tomorrow we are back with Ukwabe. Even if he's not there, we will talk like normally because it's TikTok. And darlings, thank you on that note. It's a wrap. I am so tired and I'm hungry.
Thank you.